If you can describe your product within 2 or 3 steps, then often users get hooked into your product. So if you want to describe your product within 2 or 3 steps and put it on your website, then this video is for you. Here's the simple block in Ultimate Blocks pattern library, and you can copy it with just one click. You just have to land in this page, and no worries about that, I'm gonna give you the link in the description. And to use this pattern, there's just one condition: you have to have Ultimate Blocks plugin. I think you know how to install a plugin in your WordPress. Just go to your dashboard and then plugin and then add new plugin and then search for Ultimate Blocks, and the first plugin will be Ultimate Blocks, and from there just click install and activate it. After installation, you can come to this page and just copy the pattern from here. Just click on copy pattern, and now it is copied, so you can go to your desired post or page where you want to add it. So here's a blank page, so I'm just pressing Ctrl or Command V, and yeah, this is it. So not just copy paste, you can customize the whole section. Like you can give it a subtle background like this, and you can change the text from here. You can change the text color, so everything is customizable. See, I'm just changing it very first. So that's it, not just copy paste, you can decorate it as your own brand UI. So that's all for today. If you think this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel, and if you have any kind of particular pattern idea then you want to share, then please share with us and we can create the pattern for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.